This episode is sponsored by Gen Z AI Slop. Before we start, I'm trying to grow my Instagram audience, so give me a follow on Insta, will ya? The pics are mid, but I tag every post with the gear it was taken with, so that you can compare camera output. Links in the description. Cheers! As covered in my previous video, the X-Half, as sold while being very lightweight, is a bit difficult to latch onto because the body has no grip to speak of. Also, the fixed 32mm equivalent f2.8 lens has no filter thread, thus common filters we can find on the market cannot easily be mounted on it. I always accessorize my cameras to the max, so it's good that Smallrig again saved the day, providing a full suite of add-ons for this little camera. What's especially nice about them is that Smallrig has released them for all color schemes the camera comes in, so that they match nicely. Let's take a look at them one by one. The code for the L-shaped mount plate in charcoal variation is 5217. On the plus side, it significantly improves the grip. It's Arca Swiss quick release compatible, and it retains access to all ports. On the minus side, there is no 1/4-inch screw hole, which is a major omission for small tripods, which is the more likely tripod that you would use with this camera. So I don't know what they were thinking in this respect. Note that Smallrig also offers the same grip with a wooden handle, and also a leather case kit that combines a leather half case with a carrying bag. The code for the charcoal thumb grip is 5333. The thumb grip is the other part of the equation along with the L plate, together offering great handling ability. Also combined with the hand strap, you're guaranteed to never ever drop it. It makes one-handed operation a breeze, so that you can use only your dominant hand to do everything, keeping your other hand free to hold a latte or something. So, on the plus side, it greatly improves handling. On the minus side, it makes the still movie button and the play button slightly less easy to press. The code for the charcoal lens hood is 5709. The hood is not an absolute necessity, and it does make the lens look a lot less minimal. I personally got it because I like hoods.
I like turtles.
And because they allow me to store my camera in the bag without a cap, giving clearance to the front element so that it does not come in contact with the rest of the bag. I'm OCD like that. On the plus side, it does what hoods are supposed to do, preventing light entering from the sides, causing flaring, etc. And it has a tab for rotating the VND. On the minus side, it's too big for an optic so small. It casts a shadow when the LED flash fires, so it's effectively unusable with flash. You will need to remove it, which sucks. Also, finally, it's very cumbersome to use in conjunction with the filters. The diameter is smaller than the filter, so the filter needs to be placed inside the hood first. The filter is very hard, if not impossible to remove without removing the hood, so it's overall very impractical, and I believe they should have thought this through a bit better. The code for the UV filter is 5214 for the black version. On the plus side, it offers good protection for the front element. On the minus side, the provided lens cap will no longer fit, which is a bummer. And also in the previous section we explained the complications using it combined with the hood. The code for the variable ND filter is 5225 for the black version. This filter offers between 1 and 5 stops of light reduction. On the plus side, it's handy for video, though who bothers with video on the X-Half? And with minimum ISO being 200 and f11 being the minimum aperture, it can be hard to achieve low shutter speeds on a sunny day if that's the effect you want to achieve, for instance for panning or motion blur. So this comes in handy for this use case. On the minus side, same as the UV, it makes attaching the lens cap impossible and it's cumbersome with the hood. For no reason whatsoever, let's place all the aforementioned accessories on a tier list. The L-shaped mount plate I'd give this top marks if it weren't for the omission of a 1/4 inch screw hole, so I'm rating it as based. The thumb grip is God tier. It doesn't obstruct button usage enough for me to deduct any points. The hood I found to be a bit disappointing, both being too big and annoying to use with the filters, hence I'm ranking it as mid. The UV filter does what it says on the tin, so for me, it's valid. Same for the variable ND filter. Smallrig aside, the following are also must-haves and nice-to-haves for the Fujifilm X-Half. UHS 1 memory cards. Personally, I use SanDisk. Extra battery, either a genuine Fujifilm WP126S, but Smallrig also offers a compatible model that's USB-C chargeable. A bag, personally I use Lowepro. Screen protector, even for the small film recipe selector by JJC or Ulpter. A shutter release button, personally I use JJC. And optionally an alternative hand strap, for instance by Peak Design or PGY Tech. Though I tried one for my XM5 and I'm not really feeling it at the moment. What I would wish for is a 1/4 strength magnetic mist filter, but it seems like case is already on the case. Thanks for watching. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and click the bell button. Also check out my previous video for an X-Half review.